Little darling, the boughs are heavy with a pail. The winter's breath is vanishing, a thin and tattered veil. I've been waiting for the velvet to decorate the lane, to see the garden shivering beneath the petal rain. The heavy coat of January is finally cast aside. There's nowhere for the morning light to hide. Here comes the bloom, breaking through the seam, drifting in a dream. It's a kaleidoscopic rhythm, it's a brand new day. Look at the sakura on the windowsill. The world is waking and it's standing still. Everything is alright now. Yes, it's alright. Little darling, the copper bells are ringing in the square. A scent of almond clarity is hanging in the air. The orchard is a prism, shaking off the sleeve, losing all the secrets that the frost used to keep. We're stepping through the doorway, leaving out the cold, watching as the indigo turns to marigold. Bloom, bloom, here it comes. Rise, rise, watch it ride higher and higher through the copper wire. We're spinning in the Here comes the bloom, breaking through the seam, drifting a dream. It's a kaleidoscopic rhythm, it's a brand